The goal of the guest post strategy is to pitch topic ideas to relevant websites that accept guest post articles. For example, we can find websites in the digital marketing niche that have a Write For Us page, like this one, and ask if they'd be interested in accepting a guest post from us. Let's see how you can do so with Respona's guest posting template. There are only 2 fields to fill out. In the first one, type the general topics that are relevant to your industry. For us, it's digital marketing. Keep this keyword field relatively broad but relevant to your industry. You can use Respona's AI keyword suggestion tool to come up with a list of related keywords for your content. In this example, I can ask it to develop a list of general and broad terms related to digital marketing. They will be used to create your search strings and find relevant guest posting opportunities for you. In the second field, provide a URL to an example of a piece of content that's published by you. It can be another guest post you've written or even a piece from your own blog. It will automatically be pulled into the email sequence. Then you'll click Use this template to get into the campaign editor. The email sequence is already preset for you, but let's also give it a bit of a facelift by adding an unsubscribe link, checking for spam words, and changing the follow-up time to 5 days. Let's also add an AI icebreaker variable, which will automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign, and it increases your reply rates. Once you're set up, Respona will search the web for your next guest post home. It will automatically apply the search operators mentioning the most common Write For Us page title variations along with your target keywords and run several Google queries at the same time. You can also hover your mouse over the queries and click the preview button to take a look at the results before running the search. Click Continue and set some additional SEO filters to only pull websites that meet your criteria. Click Continue again and you'll see that the contact search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out the content and SEO managers of websites that you want to get your posts on. The next setting relates to AI personalization. Here, you can provide additional instructions and prompts for your AI variables. We, for example, like to keep the reading level at around 5th grade and stick to short sentences with minimal punctuation. Let's also enable the search to become recurring, which means every couple weeks. This will automatically rerun the search, topping off your campaign with fresh opportunities on autopilot. Speaking of autopilot, once you click Run Automation, results will start popping up on your screen in real time. You don't need to wait for the entire search to be completed. Respona will send you an email when it's done. When you're ready, you can move to the final step, Review and Launch. Here, you can review your AI variables and make manual edits. In addition to email addresses, Respona also finds the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. We recommend also sending them a connection request on LinkedIn to create another touch point and increase the chances of getting a reply. Once the pre-launch checks are complete and the campaign is running, all that's left for you to do is look out for responses. And this video has officially covered one of the strategies for guest posting.